Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. So today in this video I'm going to make dinner. So I will show you how actually I do make my dinner. So now I'm in the kitchen. So you can see here it's my kitchen. Okay. So I hope it's all good. It's looking so good. So my friend, now today I'm going to make leaf vegetable. So we can call in our Desi language that is saag. So in English we can say it whole leaf vegetable saag. Okay. So I'm going to cut it first. Then I will put it into the pressure cooker to boil it. Okay. So now what is the first process? First process is I'm going to cut it properly. Okay. Then I will show you how actually I will cut it. It's a little bit tricky and difficult. So actually no one actually can cut this like easily. Okay. So actually my mom have plucked this all vegetable. Here you can see it's garlic. Yeah, it's garlic stem. Okay. And it's actually mustard. Yeah, mustard leaf. Okay. Somewhere other types of leaf. Okay. So now the first work. So this is platter. So I'm going to cut it into this platter. So this is like white. Okay. So it's easy to cut this whole vegetable. Now I will pour it into the platter and I'm going to cut it from this. This is sickle. So it's actually special sickle, okay, that use only to do such type of work. Okay. Now first let me wash my hands. Okay. Now I will cut it on the floor, not in standing. So actually it's difficult to shoot video while working. So I'm just trying. How can I? Very difficult. So my friend, here you can. I will show you properly. Okay. So this is chicken. So I'm going to cut it like this. So now I will show you when I will cut it. Then I will show you the next process. So let me cut it first. Okay. So actually I have shown you the first process, that how actually I cut such kind of leaf. Okay. So my friend, you can see here. So I have cut these all leaves. Okay. So now I'm going to take it. No, I'm going to put it into the pressure cooker. So first let me take down the pressure cooker, put it on the electrical stove. Then now I will put it So now I will pour it into the pressure cooker like this. So today, after a long time, actually I'm making such type of vegetable for my family, me and my family. Actually, my grandmother actually really like such kind of vegetable, like green leaf vegetable. Okay, so actually it makes very tasty. So the next process, I will actually put it a little, not too much, just like we can say half bowl of rice. Okay, so let me rinse it, then I will put it into this, into the vegetable. Okay, I have rinsed it. Now I'm putting it into the green leaves. Okay, so now next process, I will put salt, turmeric, and so I'm going to put ginger into this. So making small small piece, and it is getting into the pressure cooker now. So actually ginger, it actually makes makes the taste so good. Ginger is also good for health. Now that is turmeric. So 1 spoon of turmeric I'm putting it, and that is salt. 1 spoon of salt. I think one and a half will be enough. So what can I put more? I can put, that is fenugreek seed. So little fenugreek seed. So now close the dispenser. This is spice dispenser, and put it away where it belongs. So the next process, actually I will have to put it water, like 2 glass of water. Okay, because it will actually take 30 minutes to boil. So I have to put 2 glass of water. So now first actually I'm going to heat the water in this kettle. Okay, then I will put warm water into this, so it will actually start boiling actually quickly. Okay? Not take too much time. So I'm actually saving electricity, because I'm actually favor to save electricity, water, okay, and save the nature. So my friend, I have heated water. So this is the pot of water. So I'm going to pour warm water into this green leaves. So I have to check it. I have to check it with spatula, that the water is enough or not. So yes, the water is enough. So I'm going to cover it and switch on the electrical stove. Turn on the electrical stove and set the range. So 1200. So I have set 1200 range. Okay. So now it will take half an hour. So meanwhile, I will make actually with green leaves, maize flour. No, makki di roti. We can okay, makki di roti will good with green vegetable, but we actually do not. I actually personally do not like too much makki di roti. So I will make chapati actually to my family, my father, mothers, okay, my grandmother. So we will enjoy that green leaf vegetable with chapati. Okay. So that's all about this kitchen blog. Okay. I will show you the other process, but in next video.